Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge, a podcast dedicated to providing real-life resources for early education professionals. The Teacher's Lounge is hosted by Noelle Dentino and Jessica Day. Together, they bring almost 50 years of combined experience in and out of the early education classroom, offering a wealth of knowledge and practical insights that you need now if you're in childcare. Whether you're a new assistant or making the leap from lead teacher to director, we have you covered. Join us as we delve into the unique challenges and opportunities of each role, sharing our experiences and expertise with practical tools to help you succeed. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's jump into the lounge.
Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge. I'm your host, Jessica Day, and today we're starting a two-part series about creating classroom magic with materials you already have. In part one, we'll focus on engaging activities for preschoolers. And stay tuned for part two, where we'll explore creative ideas for infants and toddlers. Think about those cardboard paper towel rolls in your storage closet, the collection of bottle caps in your art center, or that stack of old file folders just waiting to be recycled. Today, we'll discover 3 ways to reimagine common materials you already have. Before we dive into our creative adventure, let's remember that safety comes first. All materials should be clean, free from sharp edges, and large enough to prevent choking hazards. When in doubt, run your ideas by your teaching team or director. Now, let's transform these everyday items into extraordinary learning experiences. First, transform your storage closet treasures. Those paper towel rolls, they become telescopes for a space exploration center, rain sticks filled with dried rice and sealed ends, speaking tubes for voice exploration, marble runs mounted on bulletin boards, and paint stampers for circle patterns. Empty food boxes and containers turn into a post office sorting station, play registers with number recognition, storage for matching games, building blocks covered in contact paper. Safety first. Ensure all edges are covered with tape. Check for any paper splitting and always supervise specialized activities. Number 2. Reinvent office supplies. File folders become discovery boards. Cut out windows and add cellophane. Storytelling puppets, simple board games. DIY puzzles, or picture frame borders. Paper clips and rubber bands offer pattern-making materials, shape builders, sound makers on different surfaces, fine motor challenges, and mathematical sorting tools. Safety note, choose age-appropriate materials and use teacher guidance for small items. Number 3, create learning tools from recyclable bottle caps which turn into letter matching games, counting collections, color sorting activities, pattern making pieces, and balance challenges. Cardboard boxes become shadow puppet theaters, writing surfaces at different angles, sound exploration drums, shape sorters, and detective peek holes. Safety note, clean all items thoroughly, check for smooth edges, and remove any loose or peeling labels. Tomorrow, try one of these ideas. Create one new activity from paper towel rolls. Transform 3 file folders into games. Start collecting bottle caps for a specific purpose. Turn one cardboard box into a learning tool. Remember, creativity in teaching isn't about having the newest or most expensive materials. It's about seeing possibilities in what's already around us. When we reuse and repurpose materials safely, we model environmental responsibility, show children how to think creatively, save valuable classroom resources, create unique learning experiences, build problem-solving skills, encourage children to see everyday objects differently. Most importantly, these activities help children understand that learning opportunities exist everywhere, and creativity can transform the ordinary into something extraordinary. Thank you for joining us in the Teacher's Lounge today. Your resourcefulness and creativity make early childhood education vibrant and engaging. Join us next time for part 2, where we'll explore creative ways to adapt materials for infants and toddlers. Until then, keep exploring new possibilities with familiar materials. And remember, every classroom treasure has the potential to spark joy in learning. We're here to support your creative teaching journey.
And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Teacher's Lounge. We're so grateful for your time and hope you found our discussion helpful and inspiring. Remember, you are doing an amazing job in the field of early education, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, and we'll be back soon with more resources, insights, and inspirations to help you succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on all our social medias to stay up to date on the latest happenings inside the lounge. Keep up the great work. We're cheering you on.